Hey everybody on the Electric Avenue, it's MOJO Day Trading and Pro Trader Mike for the show today. How's everybody doing? Nice, really nice to meet you for the show. Let me show you what's going on. So right now, the show today, I'm going to show everybody how to use the new MOJO Day Trading Room. So on my Twitter, the link I supplied you is the same link as right here. You'll come here and you'll press the link and you'll be taken to this page, which is the Discord app is launched. And then you're going to continue to Discord. Okay, and it's going to load the room. Okay, and it's going to load up the app. You can also go on your cell phone. So you can go to the iPhone app, which is right here. If you want information, is the Discord app right here. Here's the website. You want to download for Windows right here. So when you do that, it'll download right there on the bottom on your computer, the Discord app, and then you set up the program and you have the app. You download it right for Windows, right on here. Go to discordapp.com and download it for Windows. Okay, done. Click the download. You can download it for the Mac. See the up top. You can download it for the Mac. Download it for your Android. Download it on your iOS. Okay, right there. And this is the beauty. That's the beauty of the room right there. Okay. So that's how you get it into the app, and you have it on both, which is the app on the mobile and the app on the desktop. And then once you have it on the desktop, this is basically what the room looks like. So you're going to come into the room, and up top right here, if you follow my mouse, the moderator is Pro Trader Alan and myself, Pro Trader Mike, and then we have right now 26 pro traders that are in the room, from Pro Trader Alex all the way down. So when you make your subscription and you're a member of the MOJO team, please match your subscription from PayPal and the email I sent you back to when you log in the room. So when I send you back the welcome email saying your name is Trader Bretto, come back in, and when you log in and make your name on the server for the Discord app on your computer, make your name Trader Bretto, so when you come in, it all matches up. And then what I'll do is I'll come down here and I'll go add a friend, and I'll add you as a friend. Let's see Trader Mark. See, I'm gonna add him as a friend, and then you're gonna get a friend request, and then you'll be my friend. And then what you'll do is you have certain privileges. All the traders and the pro traders have access to everything. And then the observers, these are just people that have come in offline that are observing the room. They cannot hear me on the radio down here. I'm on MOJO Radio. You see right here on the left side right here, MOJO Live Radio right there. And these are all the pro traders that are listening to me live on the radio. So what you do is you can actually click on, let me disconnect. So let's say you come in the room and your trader, where is he? He's not even in here now. But let's say you're Trader Nate. So Trader Nate would come over here. Here's Trader Nate. He's not on the left side. He stepped away. So basically what you would do is you would come in and you'd take your mouse, see how it's all high, and you'd click on that, and it will connect you right to the room. That's one way you can do it. Or you can actually click on this join right here and you join the room right there. These people have access to this channel, which is the day trade picks channel, and all the picks go in here. You could see all you got to do is press the button. I supply screen share, so you're actively watching my screen on YouTube. I supply you that link. Here's the link for the screen share, which was right up here, and I'm going to create a separate tab for the screen share. So if you click this link right here, this was the screen share of the room that went on today. You have me right here on the bottom talking. The screen is actively going, and that was the screen share in high definition that you're able to watch my screen. You're able to hear me live and do all that, which is amazing and great and perfect. So that's the Mojo Radio Live, where I'm talking about the market, I'm talking about these picks and so forth on what we did. And I supply the link every morning when I go live. Like this last trade, we just did DRYS for Hines and UV at 1076 and 66. So then we got right there adding 92. There it is, 602, 614, 620. And then we got a little risky one here, and then UV at 1083 and UV 1087. So I'm constantly giving updates. Nobody can type in here. This is just for me to put out the announcements like we were in the old room. This is the new room. So this is just like the announcements area, but this time I get to put up amazing pictures and actual screenshots with time and sales of all the picks. The general chat area, everyone has access to the general chat area. We have fun in here. The room creates comics like this one, which is between Trader Grizz and myself. I just clicked on the green check this time. Why'd you do that? Didn't make it work before. And nice comics. There was another good one here, right here. You too, Mike. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. You too, Safari. Happy Thanksgiving to all. That's what Safari looks like too. Nice looking one. I rolled the number 2. I can roll the dice, flip a coin, flip tails and heads. I kicked this guy out of the room. It gave a rest in peace Chucksters. So, you know, you can't fool around in the room. I let him have access to the live radio, told him what the deal was to join for a week. He gave an LOL, which was totally disrespectful. So he's gone. The room gives you the weather in West Palm Beach, Florida. Like right now, if you wanted to know the weather in West Palm Beach or any of your area, you put it in right there. Let me show you. You gotta go right here. And then it's sunny, some early morning breaks with the overcast. Otherwise, it's cloudy, high 26 with winds east 24 to 40 miles an hour. And yes, see, WSFL Wesley, I changed my name in the email on this one. So what trader are you? Here he is. So this is Trader Wesley. So he has to come in as a trader. Oh, this is Trader Perfect. Ah, see, you changed, you messed it up again. So constantly changing your names and doing things, guys, is not going to be working. This guy right here, constantly changing his name and what he's doing. So he's Trader Perfect. Yeah, but now he's Trader Wesley. So he's just all over the place. Maybe he'll get it right. And basically all he has to do is now click on, just as I showed you, click on the Mojo Live radio link, which is right here, and you go live on the radio. Done. All right, and we'll deal with, deal with that after. Let me show you some of the other things on the room. The swing trade picks are just for the swing trade subscribers. When you're a member of Mojo Day Trading, you have access to the day trade picks channel and the swing trade picks channel. These people that are over here, the observers, see, there's no observers. The general chat has the observers. Day trade picks, no observers. Only the subscribers are able to see these channels. Mojo University chat is going to be tonight with the Mojo University classroom. So you click on the classroom right here, You'll go live, and then the people that are in the Mojo class tonight will be able to join here, watch my screen share, and so forth. So if you click on that again, disconnect right here, boom, you're disconnected from that. If you go down here, you have your settings where you can, this is your microphone. So if you're not hearing me, you may have an X through that. Make sure that's unchecked. Make sure you're on mute so we can't hear you and everyone's on mute. You could see that right here. Okay, some people have the deafen, like Clincy, he probably can't hear me right now. And Sash, he's probably doing something, he can't hear me. So he takes it off. See, he undid that right there. And Ring, he has it on there. And Pinto and Gerardo, they can't hear me right now because they have this thing right down here that's checked. See that? So you unclick that. Then you go into your user settings and you have your voice if you ever, but you don't do that. And then your notifications, how you want to enable your desktop notifications, and you have all your settings right in here. And that's everything that's involved in the room on the left side. Then we have bad trade channel where you could put in bad trades. My paintings, everyone has access to that. Everyone has access to the testimonials, the Mojo Show videos, the prop trading channel, the rules of the room, the welcome page with the deal right here to sign up and become a member. If you want to become a member, there is a 1-week trial for $5. This is only $1 a day. I used to charge nothing, but you got to have some skin in the game because you know what they say, free just doesn't work and you get what you pay for. So if you got a little money in the game, you'll pay attention and it'll make it worth your while. So after a 1-week trial, it'll roll to the regular monthly rate of $149 a month, which everyone pays. And you have access to the day trade picks and the swing trade picks and the Mojo Live radio for that. You have the rules of the room, the welcome right there, and then support. If anybody has any problems or questions or situations they need help on, they put it in right there and so forth. And I can control the room and delete the messages and do that. Whenever you type in anything, you get a point and you get put on the leaderboard at the end of every month. I'll be giving a giveaway of some great prizes for the Mojo team of people that are in the top 1, 2, and 3, which are under me because I'm the most active. And then you have the hello, goodbye. And when you land on here, you say, Patrick says hello to you. And then Patrick says goodbye to you when you leave. And this is everything about the room. Here's the direct messages. So right here's my friends, all that I've got right now. My direct messages, I have none, but if they were, they'd be sitting right here. When I send you a friend request, like Carol's my friend. Let's go back to general chat. See how easy it is to click? Let's go and Trader Loco, I'm gonna add him as a friend. Trader Mark, I'm gonna add him as a friend. Trader Metal, add him as a friend. Okay. So, and that's really everything about the room. So thank you so much for watching the welcome part of the video on the Mojo Day Trade room, because things change and that's what happens. So as far as the market, UV's back down at 71. You can rebuy and tap that from the 83, 84 sells. The Dow's up 41 at 19,065 in the stratosphere. The S&P and comp got a little bit of a scratch. We're waiting for a nosebleed. When they're all red, UV will go back over 11 where it was today. It's on the strong side. And since the holidays are coming up, raising of interest rates, we don't know how much they're going to raise. People are having their money in the market right now. People got their money in the stock market. So right now, here's what happens. All right. Big money is at work. So let's just pick a pen right here. So here's the big money, and here's November, and here's December, and here's January. Okay. Right here, 2016, Facebook, Twitter, Facebook, Priceline, every stock that's up the humongous, all the stocks are up huge this year. If you take profits, you got to pay taxes. So nobody's selling. So that's why the market's strong. Number 2, interest rates. they're not doing anything yet. So you can't make any money on your money. So the best spot for your money is right here in the market. As soon as they raise interest rates and you say, hey, I'll give you money out of the market on your money, all the money is going to pour out of the market, all of it. Okay. So all the money is going to pour out of the market and the market's going to go down. December, number one on the first glitch, that's going to give you the nosebleed. Right now we're scratched. So as soon as they raise interest rates, you get the nosebleed. Then January 1st, new year 2017, profit time. Let's take profits on all those stocks we're up 100% on. And then starting in January and February, we're in a downturn down to 18,000. And the market stays in a range, which is perfectly fine with me until they break the box of 19,100 or wherever it decides to go to now, down to 18,000 with a mini Hines at 18.5. Okay, that's the dealio, the realio. Believe it or not, if you do, well, yes. If you don't, no, no, no. If you have no decision, maybe yes, maybe no. Could I be more sorry? Not really. So Pro Trader Mike signing off. I hope you enjoyed the welcome video for the show. Peace. Shakalaka. Happy Thanksgiving. Mojo Day Trading.